सुबह से हम चॉकलेट खा रहे हैं और चॉकलेट खा रहे थे.
ये लंच है ना? I would literally be eating them like.
Hi, my name is Kriti.
And my name is Pranay, and today is World Chocolate Day.
हम बहुत सारी different chocolates try करने वाले हैं, and I'm super excited because we're trying
One of my favorites.
Hershey's.
I thought I was introducing Hershey's.
प्रणय, आप एक ये लेके आए हो? आप देख सकते हो मेरी ट्रे देख रहे हो आप?
Hey, I forgot my wallet, yaar. It's okay.
Wow.
We're going to be trying all these chocolates, and we're going to tell you whether you should buy it or buy it.
बचपन में you know what I used to do? चॉकलेट बार्स लेती थी, उसको माइक्रोवेव करती थी so that it becomes melty, and I used to take my hands, dip, I used to take it out, and I used to have chocolate nail paint. मैं आराम से इसको ऐसे चाटती रहती थी.
That's the most disgusting thing I've ever heard in my life. I would never disrespect chocolate like
You know what, Pranay? You've never had fun with chocolate.
I've had fun with chocolate in my life. अच्छा, मैं बचपन में मैं मार्केट जाता था और मैं 4 चॉकलेट बार खरीदता था and then I'd open all of them, put them all in my mouth and walk around like a walrus.
That's disgusting.
By the way, have you tried all these chocolates over here?
I actually haven't tried Hershey's Kisses almonds. What are you trying, Pranay?
I really love the normal Hershey's Kisses milk chocolate.
This is very nice.
But I haven't seen this one before,
Nothing?
which is the Hershey's Kisses cookies and cream. इसका color देख.
It's an icy blue color.
Very enticing.
Even this is really nice.
Yeah,
it's
of
an
course.
orangey copper type of color. And I love this shape, you know, this water drop shape. Actually, in fact, जब हम airports में जाते हैं ना, दूर से पता चल जाता है that is Hershey's Kisses.
Very
you know?
unique shape.
Very, very
You
unique
know
water
that.
drop shape.
So Hershey's Kisses was started 100 years ago, by the way. So when I'm eating a Hershey's Kisses, it's almost like मैं Albert Einstein के साथ बैठ के खा रहा हूँ.
Albert Einstein, Pranay? थोड़ा औकात में थोड़ा बात करते हैं नहीं? Should we open?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Oh man, I love this smell.
Yeah, me too, me too. Smells really good.
Yeah. Okay,
Let's
there
open
you go.
this. Pranay, just look at the speed at which I'm opening. You're supposed to take the plume and then धीरे-धीरे, delicately.
इतने में तो मैं 10 खा जाऊँ.
Okay, guys, there's no right or wrong way to do this, but do it प्यार से, do it आराम से.
Okay, I'll do it प्यार
It's
से
called
this time.
Hershey's Kisses.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
So crunchy.
You find little bits of cookies in them, and the white chocolate is really nice. It relaxes you, you know, it soothes you. क्या मैं तेरा try करूँ?
Alright. Pranay is not a badam guy. He's a kaju guy.
I like kaju more. See, I'm open-minded. That's the best part about it.
I'm also very open-minded. I just wanted to say because
Less open-minded than me, but still.
देखो मुझे ना actually white chocolate इतना ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है. I'll be honest. I'll try this.
Honestly, I didn't think I would like that as much as this, but
I was gonna say the same thing. I didn't think I'd like this much.
ये मुझे बचपन में नहीं मिले. बचपन में मिलने चाहिए थे.
That's true.
I would literally be eating them like that.
So this big shareable packet, it is for 140 rupees and it has 20 kisses.
And the small packet is for 50 rupees and it's got 8 kisses in it. So if I think about my bank balance right now, ठीक है, एक पैकेट तो
140 तो मिल ही सकता था मेरे को.
नहीं, 50 वाला ही बोल रहा हूँ भाई. 50 वाला ही बोल रहा हूँ. You know, there are these moments that everybody has where you're not being able to express your feelings.
Especially Pranay. He has never been able to say, I love you.
So we wanted to ask you guys, what are such moments that you can just say it with a kiss instead of saying it in words?
So
Think
write
about
them in the comments below.
So should we move on to the next one?
Yes. What's the next one?
Okay, so I think we should do this. It's the Hershey's Exotic Dark Blueberry and Acai.
Ooh,
Exotic and dark and blueberry and
accent is really making it very
exotic.
exotic.
Yes. Also, it feels really good on the hand.
Yeah. It's matte. It's like a
it's got a
matte
matte
type
finish.
of finish.
It's got a premium sort of feel to it.
And I just want to say thank you for making it brown. This chocolate is brown.
Yeah, नहीं.
No.
White chocolate वाले लोग हम हैं थोड़े इस दुनिया में. उनको मतलब
Yeah, chocolate brown होता है.
exclude मत करो हमें.
अच्छा चलो ठीक है.
हाँ चल ठीक है. But yeah, dark chocolate and berries. Like what more do you want?
It's like dark on the outside and like exotic on the inside.
Yeah. And you get 3 flavors in this one.
Oh, okay.
So you get blueberry and acai.
Yeah.
Then you get raspberry and goji, and then there's anar. I've had this one and it's
really good. Even I love
Yeah.
this one. It's really nice.
I actually haven't seen the blueberry and acai one before, so I want to try this. So shall we?
Yeah, let's open it.
Olu?
Yes.
First you got to smell it because the smell is
Yeah?
dude. Dude.
It's the perfect mix of fruit and chocolate.
Yeah. And you get these little pearls
Yeah.
that come out. Yeah, cheers.
Cheers.
Wow, it's like rich and indulgent, and the dark chocolate
Fruity
is
and
killing it.
Really nice. Really nice.
Imagine this scenario, guys.
Okay.
Okay, listen to me carefully. Date between you and me.
Okay.
Pizza aa raha hai.
Okay.
Glass of wine.
Nice.
Bowl of Hershey's exotic dark blueberry and acai.
Wow.
Next to us that we're popping,
Beautiful.
eating,
And sipping on the wine.
and sipping on the wine. Oh my god. Guys, if you want date advice, you can get in touch with me because I give best date advice. So,
Yeah.
yeah, hai na?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So the 100-gram packet of Hershey's exotic dark blueberry and acai, and the other ones I'm sure is
Yeah.
150 rupees for 100 grams.
Yes. And the small one, which is 33.3 grams, is 50 rupees.
तो अब हम आते हैं फाइनल वर्डिक्ट पे.
Correct.
कृति, तुम्हारा क्या कहना है इस पे?
Drum roll बजाइए please.
Yes.
I think you should buy the blueberry and acai.
Yeah.
It was insane.
Good choice. I would definitely buy this.
Yeah.
I would definitely buy this.
Okay.
This is the same one. And the thing that I would say buy to is this.
I'll just go get him.
Yeah.
Okay. Ready. प्रणय सुबह से हम चॉकलेट खा रहे हैं और चॉकलेट खा रहे हैं तुम.
ये लंच है ना?
तो आलू मटर खा ले प्रणय.
टाइम नहीं मिला अभी. Hershey's almond bar to the rescue. Hi guys, we hope you enjoyed this video.
Please do try out these amazing chocolates by Hershey's.
And if you have an appetite for more such content, keep watching.
Gobble.
Yeah, do it.
Yeah.
Now.
It's important.
Do it now.
It's for your own benefit.
Watch the next video now. Now! Do it!